When I used to go with my manager, so people used to look at only at the manager. Even if I'm talking, I'm conveying, I'm answering all the questions they have, facing same type of struggles I was facing 5 years before. थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है, but उतना भी change नहीं आया. तो we need to speak more. We need to have these type of events more so that we can give more inspiration. I would urge all the girls कि if you're earning, don't let your husband, your brother, your family manage your money. Manage your money by yourself.
Neha Sagi, Neha Nagar, thank you so much for taking out the time for this. The name of our panel is It's Just a Phase. When women and finance come together, there is a perception that emotional. I don't know if they understand money. Will they be able to take the stress? They're just, all over the place. Do you guys have a voice or a style or a coat or a dress code that you do to be taken bossy?
Yes, we tried to actually. I was into wealth management. So I started my career working in India's largest wealth management company, that is IIFL. So on the floor, there were only 10-12% women. All of the managers, wealth managers, were only male. And in the top, there were hardly one or two women. So in the starting, junior levels, there were women, but when we go and see the upper levels, there were not any women. So when I used to go to clients' meetings or something, so we had to kind of match to our male manager or male leaders dress code or something so that we sound or we talk or we are viewed as a powerful and we have the same knowledge that other people are acquiring. So yeah, we have to actually change a lot of things. The way we talk, the way we behave, the way we stand, the way we sit, everything. So even in one of the earlier meetings, so when I used to go with my manager, so people used to look at only at the manager. Even if I'm talking, I'm conveying, I'm answering all the questions they have, but they will be only asking questions to my male colleague or manager or team leaders and not me. So in the starting, I felt really weird. Of course, I am that much qualified, I have that much experience, मैं भी उसी type के answers दे रही हूँ, but still I'm not given the same amount of attention or preference. So then, but धीरे-धीरे I got used to it and yeah.
The persistence. You had to persist.
Yes.
You saw that they were not even looking at you while speaking, but look where you are today. Things are changing. Are you happy with the pace?
Yes, I'm very much happy, but this is because I have actually achieved something in my life, so things are quite okay right now. But if we talk about the reality, the real Bharat, the real women of our Bharat, maybe उतनी ही स्पीड से या उतने पेस से चीज़ें चेंज नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो आई मीट अ लॉट ऑफ वुमेन इन एयरपोर्ट या यहाँ पर कॉलेजेस में इवेंट्स में, तो दे स्टिल फेसिंग सेम टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रगल्स आई वाज फेसिंग 5 years बिफोर. थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है, बट उतना भी चेंज नहीं आया. तो वी नीड टू स्पीक मोर, वी नीड टू हैव दीज टाइप ऑफ events more so that we can give more inspiration, more leadership to inspire more people.
We cannot stress enough the importance of financial independence for women. What are some of the things that you feel people should know by now that probably frustrates you, because women really need to have the reins in their hands as far as their financial security is concerned?
First of all, I want to say it clearly, don't let your husband, your brother or your father manage your money. Manage your money by yourself. So there was a survey recently. So now we can see a lot of women in workforce and we are happy about it, right? They are working, they are independent and everything. But when we talk to them about money, कि कौन manage कर रहा है, क्या चल रहा है आपके पैसे का, तो they don't have any clue. They're like कि मुझे कमाने के लिए मिल गया उतना enough है.
I know that the struggle is completely different. We are still fighting for a different goalpost. Correct?
Yes, मतलब of course earlier the fight was कि मुझे पढ़ने को मिल जाए, that is enough. Then मुझे काम करने को मिल जाए, that is enough. And now कि मुझे power भी चाहिए now. I should have the complete control of my finances, right? So there was a survey जिसमें almost 18 cities covered थी इंडिया की. वहाँ पे वर्किंग वुमेन का सर्वे हुआ था कि once you earn money तो उसके साथ आप क्या करते हो. तो मोस्टली वुमेन 70% सेड कि वो तो मेरे हस्बैंड, ब्रदर या मेरी फैमिली देखती है. तो अभी भी वुमेन का जो फाइनेंस के साथ रिलेशन है ना, वो भी बजटिंग तक, मैक्सिमम बजटिंग तक है. कि बजटिंग के लिए हम वुमेन को बोलते हैं कि शी इज़ गुड इन इट, क्योंकि हमारी मदर्स हमेशा से ग्रॉसरी का जो भी है शॉपिंग करती है, उसमें से बहुत सारा पैसा बचा लेती है. तो घर की ग्रॉसरी, घर को संभालना है, तो इसलिए बजटिंग तक का हम उसे रोल दे देते हैं. लेकिन नेक्स्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कहाँ करनी है, कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी बाय करना है, कौन सा म्यूचुअल फंड, तो ये हम उनसे डिस्कस नहीं करते हैं. ओनली 33% women were confident कि हाँ वो भी थोड़ा बहुत अपना देखते. दैट इज़ ओनली बिकॉज जब उनसे पूछा गया कि आपके पास इंस्पिरेशन क्या है, आप क्यों अपना पैसा मैनेज कर रही है, जस्ट टू सी कि वाई अदर पीपल आर नॉट डूइंग इट. तो उन्होंने कहा कि उनकी फैमिली उनको आगे लेके आती है, पुश करती है कि यू डू इट. तो मोस्टली अगर वुमेन अपने फाइनेंसिस से दूर रह रही है, दैट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ कि उनको ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट नहीं मिला है. जब हम डिनर टेबल पे बात करते हैं तो वी आर मोस्टली टॉकिंग अबाउट घर का स्टफ, लेकिन अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स की बात आ रही होती है तो वी विल बी टॉकिंग ओनली टू द मेल, या जो ब्रदर है या हस्बैंड है उनसे बात कर रहे होंगे कि अच्छा यहाँ पर ये हो रहा है, ये कैसे करें क्या नहीं. तो ऑफकोर्स थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग. जैसे म्यूचुअल फंड की जो SIPs है उसमें भी 30% जो SIPs है म्यूचुअल फंड अकाउंट्स है, दैट बिलोंग्स टू वुमेन ओनली. तो चीज़ें चेंज हो रही है. पिछले 5 साल में ही बहुत सारी चीज़ें चेंज हुई है. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू मैनेजिंग मनी तो वो उतना चेंज नहीं हो रहा जितनी अच्छी स्पीड से वो चेंज होना चाहिए. तो आई वुड अर्ज ऑल द गर्ल्स कि इफ़ यू आर अर्निंग, डोंट लेट योर हस्बैंड, योर ब्रदर, योर फैमिली मैनेज योर मनी. Manage your money by yourself, be financially literate, know what is credit score, how it can help you. तो financially literate होना बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है for everything, not just about money, work or your career, but for your personal growth also, for your family also, for your children also. So be financially literate and start taking control of your money.
Thank you so much. Paucity of time, I wish we could continue, but this has really been such a rich discussion. Am I right, guys? Super.